Despite our rocky morning, we couldn't stay mad with these views. We spent some time wandering around the iconic Louvre pyramid and making our way through the stunning Parisian squares. The city is simply breathtaking under the sun.
In the city, we hopped on a river cruise down the Seine. There is something truly magical about feeling the breeze and seeing the historic bridges and architecture right from the water.
Next up, a little bit of culture. We stepped indoors to admire some incredible Impressionist art, including Monet's famous water lilies. The scale of these paintings in person is just unbelievable.
Then our chariot arrived. But not just any ride. We booked a vintage yellow Citroën to zip us through the streets of Paris. Highly recommend doing this if you ever visit. It is so much fun.
After all that exploring, it was finally time to check into our new hotel. We scored a beautiful, cozy room with a gorgeous marble bathroom. It was exactly what we needed to unwind and recharge.
The next morning started the best way possible, a classic French breakfast. You simply can't visit Paris without indulging in fresh, flaky croissants and a perfectly brewed cappuccino to fuel the day.
While walking the streets, this stunning sweet shop drew us right in. The chocolate displays were incredible, but we just had to pick out a box of their colorful macarons to take with us.
Stop of the day, we grabbed a cozy table at Le Croquet. Since it's known as one of the oldest restaurants in Paris, we knew we had to go with the classics. We started off by taking the waiter's excellent recommendation on a bottle of red wine. When in France, right? Paul was feeling adventurous and decided to try the escargot. Operating those little tongs definitely took some practice, and we had a good laugh trying to figure it out. As for me, I finally got my hands on a proper traditional French onion soup. The cheese was crusted perfectly over the sides, and it was piping hot and absolutely delicious. It was the ultimate comfort food to wrap up a very long but very memorable day.
Despite the canceled hotel and the rocky start, today turned out to be amazing. Thank you so much for joining us on episode 3 of our France tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.